Here we are, Showcase Cinema, Broadway show deck, just saw the Michael Jackson show, and Henry's now hoovering up all the bits of paper that come down from the ceiling. We've been shouting at him, take the end off! It keeps getting clogged. He's not listening to us. He's having a good time. Little does he know, he's going to be on YouTube in a week's time. Take the end off! Oh, double trouble. Henriette's in now. Look out. We got Henry and Henrietta. I tell you what, 2 for the price of 1. This is going to get better than the show. The show was very entertaining. It's clogging again. It's clogged. You're going to be there all day.
I tell you what, he would have finished it by the time he plays here.
Oh, well, he knows that. He's not dull. It's Henrietta. Come on, Henry, you can do it. He's still going. He's got a few more to go. I know. I'm going to wait for Henrietta. Oh, yeah. Woman's always stronger. Here goes Henrietta. Hang on. Here he goes. He's off. He's only got 3 to suck up over there, man.
Who will have the most thingies?
Oh, look out. We've got a new entrant. We've got a little boy. Kids throwing all over the place. It's all going on. We've got the stage people dismantling the stage. We've got people leaving. We've got the captain picking up wine glasses. It's all going on in the Showcase Cinema. It's all happening.
Look at this.
Lido and Henry is all going on. I don't know how much fun I can have, but this is great. I don't need to go for a pee. Goodbye from Henry and Henrietta. I might come back in the morning to see if they finished. But until then, good night.